Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This video will be part 1 of my SolidWorks project. For this semester, I asked my student to do this product, which is a vacuum cleaner, mini USB charge vacuum cleaner. So this is mine. I already bought it from Shopee. So my student is here. I can share you here in Padlet. I have 30 students, so this is their choice. So we have various kind of design here. So like for example, this one is more like this kind of shape. This is more cylindrical. This one have the handle is more like organic shape, and the rest is kind of like a gun shape, cylindrical shape. We have various kind of design. So I did ask ChatGPT if my student have various kind of design, what type of version of mini vacuum cleaner should I do for my video tutorials. So ChatGPT asked me to do this one, right, the gun shape. I hope by doing, inshallah, I will try to complete before the end of the semester. So a complete set how I do part modeling up until assembly, and maybe up until a set of working drawing of this gun shape of this mini vacuum cleaner. Alright, if you look in my previous video, I've done a lot of video tutorials, complete set. For example, the latest one that I've done for my student is portable mist spray fan, and like for example, the previous semester also I've done correction tape, mini blender, protein shaker bottle, milk frother. If you look at my previous video, the way I've done the part modeling, I begin it part modeling of the main body is a complete set. For example, it is a complete, everything is a main body. For example, like portable mist spray fan, I make a main modeling of the whole thing, then I would do splitting to front casing and rear casing, also splitting at the bottom for the water container, and then it become a separate parts. But for this product, I don't think so. I will do the similar approach. I can make this as a separate part modeling. For example, like the black color, we have a handle unit together with this chamber here. So I will do a part modeling of this black casing here. Later in part 2, I will show you how I will do modeling of the other part, like for example this vacuum chamber here, a cylindrical shape, where inside we have another component, air filter, we have a valve, and so on and so on. Alright, so for this kind of product, I will not do main modeling of the main body for the whole thing. I will do only for this part, this black body here, this main body of the at the rear here. If you look at this photo, I already have dismantled the product, so the handle unit and this chamber here, and we have internal structure inside. When we do part modeling, forget about all the complicated structure inside. First we make the overall shape of the body of this handle unit, right, as shown here. So this is a handle unit. So actually this is turning to the other side. Let me flip. So it is like this. Right, this one actually will be attached at this end here, and also the nozzle will be attached here and attached to the other side. So this is all the long nozzle, and also the nozzle with a brush head is accessories. The main thing is about the main body here, the handle unit. Alright, and in this video I would like to show you how I will do this in SolidWorks. Alright, already important thing in SolidWorks, when you do part modeling, you don't straight away do it in SolidWorks. You must begin on paper. So I already done the sketch. If you look here, hold on. So this is a sketch. You must begin it on paper. You already done the sketching of the rough dimension. So this one is a dimension for the handle unit, the black color. So I already have the dimension here. So make sure that you have this kind of sketching of your main body of your vacuum cleaner. You have a rough dimension, so then only you can start in SolidWorks. Okay, let's get started in SolidWorks. So in SolidWorks, I will start part modeling and make sure that in millimeter. Okay, if you look in this photo, the orientation of this, if you look in this photo, the orientation of this black color is standing up position, so I will do it in necessarily plane in SolidWorks. So since it's a standing up position, so it's basically it's a cylindrical shape, so I will do on the right plane. I will create a circle. So the circle, basically, if you look on the dimension, I will go, if you look on the sketch that I've done here, so I will start from the diameter 55 and the length is about 60 here. So we have a dimension. Then later at the left end here, we have a smaller diameter of 50, and also here by distance 17, we have a bigger diameter 60. So I will start here. The base of the cylinder is 55. So the dimension is 55 unit for the cylinder, 55. So I will extrude it, I will extrude, but it goes to this direction, so I will do extrude, not up to the, by default is blind. I will go to this direction, and the distance is 60, right? Sorry, is 60. So this main shape, the base cylinder here. Okay, I have the base cylinder 55 by 60, but I have a bigger diameter of 60 by distance of 17 to the left, right? So here at the left end here, so I will create a circle of diameter 60, and I will do extrude to the right this direction by distance of 17, by distance of 17. So this will be the other features of this main body here. All right. Okay, at the end here, I have a small cylinder by 50, distance of 8. Circle at the center by diameter of 50. Hold on. The distance is 8. Okay, now I have the main body here. Right, so this main part of the main body, and the next thing is that I need to create the handle here. Right. Okay, for the handle here, so we have axis here is 10 degrees from vertical, and the distance from here to 83, and also here to here is 5 units from the end. It means we have a gap here of 5. So I need to create the center line, yeah? The center line by distance of 83. So here in SolidWorks, so I will go on the front plane, since the front plane is in the middle. So I will create a center line, snap at this point, it goes like this, right? And if you look the sketch, the dimension is 10 degrees to the vertical. So I will make from here to the vertical edges here is 10 degrees. 10 degrees from the vertical axis. But also in the sketch here, if you look in the sketch here, okay, here we have 83, from here to the bottom is 83. So it means dimension from this edge to this point. Okay, hold on, I go for dimension from here to here is 83. Alright, still blue color. I need to make it the center line is fully defined. Another thing to mention, that if you look, the cross section of the handle is not round, it's not a circle, it's an ellipse 40 by 35. Alright, since the width of the ellipse, the length of the width of the ellipse is 40, so it means in the middle it is 20. Half of it is 20, plus we have another 5 here, so it means from here to here is 25. Alright, so it's 25. So then I will go for dimension from here to the edge is 25. Okay, now I have fully defined the center line. Okay, I exit the sketch. Alright, since I need to put the cross section of the handle is an ellipse, right? It's an ellipse. So here I will create a plane. First is here, second is there. So this plane, I will create a sketch. Okay, I can go like this. Okay, here I will create an ellipse at this center point. It goes like this and like that, and the dimension here from this point to this point is 40, and the width is 35, right? The width from here to here is 35 unit. As you can see, the shape is still blue color, it's underdefined. I need to make this point to make sure it is, hold on, I have to click at this point, hold on, my control key this point and make it horizontal. Now I have a fully defined, and now I will do features, extrude. Okay, extrude, the direction is not downward, it goes upward, right? And I'm not using blind, I go to up to body, so it will end up to this body. Okay, then I go like that. Okay, now we have kind of like a little bit as a sieve here, and also it kind of like merge, intersect like this. That's how it looks like if you look in the photo here. If you look in the photo, it kind of like actually this is turning to the other side. Actually my SolidWorks is this side, so if I can go flip horizontal, as you can see, it goes like this. We have here is about 5 units, and it kind of like merge. If you look here, it merge with this bigger diameter like that. So that's how it looks like, right? Kind of like similar. Okay, another thing is that if you look in the photo here, we have chamfer. I already measured the chamfer distance is 5 units, right? So I will do here chamfer of 5, and I select these edges, so I have a chamfer of 5 units, right? Okay, if this thing is kind of like, we have kind of like excessive here, I can adjust little bit. Okay, for this center line, I adjust it. It's not supposed to be 25. I put some amount of 26, okay, to increase the distance. Now, so I have kind of like I need to mix more, little bit more. It goes like 5 millimeter from here. I adjust a little bit the distance of this one to be maybe about 28 unit. Then alright, I think this is good enough, so I will save this one as main body. So I will replace the original file, so I have this main body of this vacuum cleaner as shown. This one is turning to the other side. Actually, the orientation that I show in SolidWorks is this orientation, right? It goes like this. Right. Okay, the next move is that if you look at this photo, so we have a chamfer here. So this one chamfer, I will go for a value of 4 and or maybe 3. This one will be 3, and here at the edge here is since this one is 60, at the back is 55, so we mean the chamfer is 2.5, right? So here in SolidWorks, I will go for chamfer. For this edge will be, I put it 3, and for this one, since here the diameter is 55 and bigger diameter is 60, so it means that we have a balance of 2.5 for the chamfer. So the value is 2.5, and I select this edge. Okay, I save my file again. Alright, the next thing is that if you look at this photo at the end here, hold on. Okay, at the end here, if I zoom in, I discover that this chamfer here is not 45. We also have chamfer at the end here. It's not 45. The chamfer is more on 30 degree, and the distance of the chamfer is 5. Right, so here at the end here, so I will do chamfer. I select this edge, so the distance is 5 and the value of the chamfer is 30 degree. Right, so I have this chamfer at the back here. Right, if you look at this photo again, hold on. Okay, this photo again, I already dismantled this main body into this front casing. This one is a rear casing. I already dismantled these two parts, and as you can see, this the rear casing is at this orientation, and the front casing is at the other orientation. Right, so here, if you zoom in, I need to split this main body into two parts to make a front and rear casings, and later I will show you. Here we have, I will do shell. The thickness of the shell is 2 mm, but here the shell is even thinner. This is not 2 mm. Later I will show you how I will do this wall, thin wall, but this one we don't have a wall. It's a cut through holes. Okay, the first thing is that I need to split this main body into front and rear casing. So since my front plane is laying in the middle here, so front plane is already selected, so I will go for split. Okay, front plane is already selected, cut part, then I select both, make sure the consume cut bodies is unchecked. See, already splitted. As you can see, the solid bodies we have two now. This one is a front and this one is a rear casing. Okay, I select the rear casing. So this rear casing is still solid. I need to make a shell by a thickness of 2. So shell, I put a value is 2, then and I select this space, then I click OK. Now I have this thing. Right, and okay, as I mentioned to you just now, here is even thinner, and this one is a cut through holes. So here at this space, I will create a sketch. See, I don't need to create a circle of that circular in edges there. So under schedule we have convert entities. So I click at convert entities. So it means I already have this thing is already selected. It traces the outline. So this one I will do features extruded cut. So I will go for through all, and I have a cut through holes there. Right. Alright, about this wall, since the thickness of this wall is not, the rest of the wall is 2 mm, including the handle is 2 mm, but the this wall is even thinner, as shown in this photo. Is about hold on. Okay, the wall here is about 1 mm. Okay, it means that since I already make a thickness of 2 mm here, so I will create a sketch here. So this one I will create a combat entity, so it traces the outline. So this one I will do features extruded cut, but not through all. I will go for blind, and it goes for 1 mm. So it means that we have a balance of 1 mm there. So this one is a thinner wall. Right, let me save my file again. Alright, what about the other side? Okay, about the other side, I don't have to repeat the same procedure. It means that since I already split it, it means at the rear casing I already make the shell there, and with this 1 mm thickness and 2 mm thickness, and also cut through holes. It means the front casing, I just simply delete the front casing. I can delete the bodies. Since I have two bodies, so I select the front casing. So under insert we have features, we have delete body, so I can delete. It's already selected, and I only have the rear casing. Alright, this rear casing I can mirror it to make the front casing. Alright, so here I have mirror. So my mirror plane will be this flat plane here, since this flat plane will be my mirror plane. And okay, here I will not, already selected the face one there, but here I will not use feature to mirror. Instead of feature, because this is the whole body, I will go for bodies to mirror, then I select this one. And to make sure that I need to separate this thing, rear and front casing, I will uncheck the merge solid, so it will make as a separate body. So now I have two parts. Here is the rear casing, the mirror one is the front casing. So as you can see here, the front casing, we have the same features as the rear casing. Alright. Okay, let me save my file again. Okay, I think I end up this video up until this position. Later, in part 2, I will show the continuation of this video where I will do detailing of this rear casing and also the front casings when we have a structure here. So, but in my case, I will make a simpler version, even a better features compared with this original product here. Okay, inshallah, I will see you in the next video. But before that, please do appreciate my efforts to do these video tutorials by click subscribe and like my channel and my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.